I'd like to thank Bimimo for going through and sending me this metal eyelet kit in exchange for an honest review. I'm going to go through and show you how it works. Basically, you get 400 sets of eyelets. These are 3/16" and you can see the different colors. These will be great for indoor or outdoor use. If you're a crafting buff, you'll really like these. You can go through and put example holes in your shoes to go through and put shoelaces through. So we're going to go through and show you this in use just to give you a better idea. There's a really nice kit, comes in this nice case, all organized, which is great. We'll show you the back of it just to give you another idea there. And the colors are very vivid. So I do like that the color choice is done really well, especially the green and the yellow and the orange. I like those. So you can go through and change things up. Let me go through and show you exactly how it works. We have the kit all set up. Let me go through and show you exactly what I did. This is to put holes in it. However, I wanted to use the scissors because I find it's a little easier and it makes you control the size of the hole because you want it really small. So here we're going to take the base and we're going to take a rivet and we're going to go through and put it in. And then we're going to match up the hole. Now, if you're like me, you're going to want to do the base part first and then do the hole so you don't lose the hole. Once you find it, you just slide it over like this and then you take one of the backs, you match it up with the silver piece and you just put it on top. And you just slide it on there. And then you take like a hammer and you don't have to hit that hard. I did put a box on top just so it wouldn't damage my table, but you really don't have to hit that hard. Then you slide the other piece off and here you have your metal eyelet. So you can do this in any fabric you want. A t-shirt's probably going to be the very hardest to do, which is what I had on hand to do. But you can see here all the things. The trays do come out so you can make some areas bigger and you also have a place to hang it up. So I recommend these, definitely, really think they're awesome.